Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we learn future perfect tense. It is used to show completion of action for subject in future, and I can also be called imaginative perfect tense. So it is used to completion action of for subject in future, which the work we complete in future coming time. So helping verb shall have or will have. Verb taking verb third form. So example, he will have auctioned the bungalow. So he will not have auctioned the bungalow. And interrogator have, will he have auctioned the bungalow? And interrogator negative, will he not have auctioned the bungalow? She will have waited for the friends. In negative, she will not have waited for the friends. In interrogative, will she have waited for the friends? In interrogative negative, will she not have waited for the friends? Kids will have spoiled the room. Kids will not have spoiled the room. In interrogative, will kids have spoiled the room? In interrogative negative, will kids not have spoiled the room? My neighbor will have harmed my pets. My neighbor will not have harmed my pets. In interrogative, will my neighbors have harmed my pets? In interrogative negative, will my neighbors not have harmed my pets? They will have attended the party. In negative, they will not have attended the party. In interrogative, will they have attended the party? In interrogative negative, will they not have attended the party? So syntax of future perfect tense: subject plus shall or will plus have plus verb third form plus object. In negative, subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus verb third form plus object. In interrogative, shall, will or will plus subject plus have plus verb third form plus object. After that, question mark. In interrogative negative, shall or will plus subject plus not plus have plus verb third form after object. After that, question mark. So here another example: guest will have come. Guest will not have come. In interrogative, will guest have come? In interrogative negative, will guest not have come? Parents will have instructed the children. In negative, parents will not have instructed the children. In interrogative, will parents have instructed the children? In interrogative negative, will parents not have instructed the children? She will have fought for rights. She will not have fought for rights. In interrogative, will she have fought for rights? In interrogative negative, will she not have fought for rights? Politician will have fooled the public. In negative, politician will not have fooled the public. In interrogative, will politician have fooled the public? In interrogative negative, politician will not have fooled the public. My brothers will have achieved higher education. My brothers will not have achieved higher education. In interrogative, will my brothers have achieved higher education? In interrogative negative, will my brothers not have achieved higher education? Enemies will have chased us. Enemies will not have chased us. In interrogative, will enemies have chased us. In interrogative negative, will enemies not have chased us? My parents will have compromise with them. My parents will not have compromise with them. In interrogative, will have my parents compromise with them. In interrogative negative, will my parents have compromise with them? So I hope that you understand this future perfect tense very well. So we will meet in next video. Thank you.